No more bad product photos. So I just found this website where you can make professional product photos for free. No Photoshop, no paid apps, nothing tricky. If you're starting a small business or just testing an idea, this can seriously save you money. Most AI tools out there, they're either expensive or you can't actually use the images to sell. And if you're running a small business, that's a real problem. But then I found PxBee. It's totally free, lets you use your images for products, and there's no watermark. Let me show you. First, head over to pxbee.com and log in. Step 1. Remove the background. Click on AI Background Generator to get started. Start with any photo, even if the lighting isn't great or the background's a bit messy. Just upload it, and PxBee will remove the background for you automatically. Let me zoom in here. Yep, you get a clean, clear cutout in just seconds. On the right side, you'll see the Change Background option. You can choose from their sample backgrounds or upload your own. Or, you can also just use a simple color background if you want to keep it clean. Alright, let's move on. Okay, what I want to show you is not just the templates. The second feature here is called AI Background. This gives you preset concepts you can use. First, make sure your product fits inside the guiding box. Then, pick a background style you like. Adjust the aspect ratio, and hit Generate. And in just a second, your product is now placed in a beautiful, pro-looking scene. Let me try another background. Yeah, that color feels like a better match and just one more step left to make it fully ready to use. One thing to remember, the size of your product really matters. Like this small cream jar, if it's too tiny inside the box, the final result might look off. Try adjusting it a bit and see what size works best for your product. Alright, last step. Hit AI Photo Enhancer. Upload your image, and the AI takes care of the rest. It fixes the lighting, sharpens the photo, and really makes it pop. Now it looks like a pro shot. Just pick the resolution you want and download. That's it. Alright, let me show you one more example. I'm uploading a perfume photo this time, and picking a background from the ready-made ones. Let's fit the perfume nicely. Okay, now I'm adding a blur to the background, and adjusting the opacity so the product stands out more. Looks great, and now we just download it. Also, I want to try the AI background too, and there it is. You can do this with anything: skincare, jewelry, t-shirts, whatever your product is. Just play with the background style, and it's ready for Instagram, Etsy, Amazon, or wherever you're selling. Thanks so much for watching. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.